So the story actually started few days back. I usually have a habit of having a drink and watching a movie during the Saturday Sunday afternoons. Now I guess one of the days, somehow when I was making a drink, a few drops might have spilled over on the ground, and our big boy Mr. Caesar might have licked it. Hey, Caesar. Now licking it is okay, but unfortunately this boy liked it also, it seems. So this Sunday, when I was thinking of again watching a movie over a drink, when I started creating the drink, Caesar's eyes were completely locked into the glass. And then after that, what happened is our today's story. Watch it out.
No. Sorry. কি হলো? No. No. ওহো মোটাও না 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 একদম নয় কি হলো? No. Whiskey is not for you. Okay? Whiskey. Caesar. Whiskey? Not for you. It's not for you. Okay? It's not good for you. Alright? No. 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 Oh, মোটাও না 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 একদম নয় কি হলো? No.
So, did you guys see what Caesar has been trying to do? If you have a shepherd at home, you will know how stubborn they are as a mule. Yeah. Anyway, I think all of you know that consumption of liquor is injurious to health for all the species, not only for humans. And be assured Caesar is not going to drink any alcohol at any point of time. Hope you like the video. Please let us know in the comments what you will do in such a situation. And then keep coming back. See you then. Bye-bye.